Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only legitimate way for you to download YouTube videos without having any issues with them, okay? First thing you want to do, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's take a look on the feed for video that we want to download. Let's say we want to download this video over here from Peter Santanello. All you gotta do is to click on the three dots under the video, okay? Then you want to click download, the fourth option over here. Now you have two options to download the video. First of all, you have a high quality of 720p or medium quality of 360. The only issue with this is that you should have a YouTube Premium subscription, which, as you can see over here, will be free for the first month, and then the second month will cost you $18.99. Another big beneficial of having the subscription of YouTube Premium is that you are going to watch any type of content on the platform without ads. YouTube shorts, long format videos, you'll be able to watch them without watching ads, and this is also gonna allow you to download YouTube videos without any issues. Again, downloading YouTube videos is not the same as downloading Reels or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels, right? Going on the third-party software, copy and pasting the link, okay? Here you have much more copyright issues. You have issues with the rights, not only from the actual creators, but you have issues from the YouTube itself. So the only legitimate way to download videos is simply through having the YouTube Premium subscription. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel on YouTube. If you want to prevent somebody to seeing your content or looking into your account, this is how you're gonna go about it. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's find an account that we prefer not to see our content. For this example, we're gonna use CNBC. You're gonna click on the account that you don't want to see your content, or you don't want to look into your content ideas or the production quality or your ideas. You want to go on the three dots on the top right corner, and you have the option hide user from my channel. When you click hide user from my channel, you will see that this user will not be able not only to see your content, to find your channel, it won't be able to comment on your content either. And the notification from YouTube is very explanatory. Hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. And this is very interesting also. Let's say, for example, we don't want to go on the actual page. We randomly received a video recommendation from YouTube on the feed. We can actually reduce or completely stop seeing videos or content from the similar niche or similar content just by clicking on the three dots under the video. Then you have the option to click not interested. So YouTube now gets your feedback, knows your channel, and knows exactly that you're not interested of any type of content like this, or this channel, or channels that are similar to this one. This is the second option where you can actually limit not only who sees your content in your channel, but also you can limit what you actually see and how you interact with YouTube app. Subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel on YouTube. If you want to prevent somebody to seeing your content or looking into your account, this is how you're gonna go about it. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's find an account that we prefer not to see our content. For this example, we're gonna use CNBC. You're gonna click on the account that you don't want to see your content, or you don't want to look into your content ideas or the production quality or your ideas. You want to go on the three dots on the top right corner, and you have the option hide user from my channel. When you click hide user from my channel, you will see that this user will not be able not only to see your content, to find your channel, it won't be able to comment on your content either. And the notification from YouTube is very explanatory. Hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. And this is very interesting also. Let's say, for example, we don't want to go on the actual page. We randomly received a video recommendation from YouTube on the feed. we can actually reduce or completely stop seeing videos or content from the similar niche or similar content just by clicking on the three dots under the video. Then you have the option to click not interested. So YouTube now gets your feedback, knows your channel, and knows exactly that you're not interested of any type of content like this or this channel or channels that are similar to this one. This is the second option where you can actually limit not only who sees your content in your channel, but also you can limit what you actually see and how you interact with YouTube app. Subscribe and follow for more.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube history. First thing first, let's launch the YouTube app. When you actually launch the YouTube app, it will be thrown through the feed of YouTube. You want to go on your own profile, so you're going to click on the lower right corner where you see the icon says you. You click on it. When you're on your own profile, you want to click on the top right corner where is the gear icon. And then when you're at the settings, you want to click on Manage All History. You click on Manage All History, and here you will have the options essentially to look up and to see, can you opt in for auto delete, meaning that all the history, if you click over here, you will have the option to auto delete all the activity after this period is passed. For example, in our case, we have default function over here as 36 months. This means after 3 years, everything that is older than 3 years will be automatically deleted if you click on this one. Then of course you can readjust it to 18 months, which is 1 year and 6 months, and then you can do only 3 months period. If you set this one, the idea over here is that your most recent searches will be deleted. If you pick up the year and 6 months, this is probably going to be a little bit less relevant to your current search queries, so this is the case over here. And of course the last option will be the one that will be queries most likely irrelevant at this point of your life, because this is 3 years past. Also, you can scroll down and you can essentially don't auto delete and simply go through manually. You can go manually and pick a particular time frame or activity in which you want to delete it. This is how you can go about it. In my opinion, guys, it's always better for you to go in manual settings. Also, right before auto delete, you have an option over here. It says saving your YouTube history. You can prevent doing all the heavy lifting and hard work by simply coming over here, and you can simply turn off. When you turn off, you're simply gonna pause YouTube history. What this will simply do, this will limit or disable any personal experiences. This simply will mean that YouTube will not have the data to recommend you ads, to recommend you content, channels, shorts. So it will be pretty random. Of course, there are advantages and disadvantages of this. We all know there is a specific target advertisement, target algorithm, target content generation, in which it helps the algorithm to recommend you stuff, right? Also, you can manually tick up or down these particular indications, because they can collect data for YouTube videos you watch, right? So based on this, they can recommend you more from the channel. They can, generate or collect your searches on YouTube, all the queries that we already mentioned, the ones that are relevant, less relevant, and the ones that are already irrelevant. Again, plenty of options over here. You can simply not allow them to do so you don't have to delete anything, because if they don't keep up with your search queries and your search history or watch history, you probably not have anything to do it. But in my opinion, go on your settings, the steps I show you, and tweak left and right and see which one works for you. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on YouTube. There is a new update on the YouTube platform, so I'm going to show you the shortcut how you can easily change your profile picture. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture, okay? Then when you're over here, I want you to click on the profile picture at the top left corner, the bigger one. Now, when you're at your own YouTube channel landing page, The new update will simply allow you to do edits from the actual mobile device. You don't need the laptop or desktop version anymore. Now, you see this button that is called Manage Videos, right? Next to it, you have the Analytics, and next to Analytics button, you have this small pen. I want you to click on this small pen. When you click on the pen, you will have the option to change the name, the handle, the pronouns, right? To change the URL, the description, but also on the top center of the screen, you have an option to essentially click and change your profile picture. You can select the picture from your gallery, or you can upload the picture right away from your camera. It's very easy, guys, very simple. Thanks to YouTube, this new update makes things much easier. You can also change the background picture. You can change the actual landscape photo over here. If you click on it, as you can see, you can simply change it over here as well. Very easy, very simple. With the old version, you need a laptop, you need a desktop version, you need to resize items and things. Over here, things are very easy, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the restrictions on YouTube, so you'll be able to watch any video you would like to. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. When you're on the YouTube feed, you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your icon with your profile picture and it says you. You click on it, then you want to go on the top right corner where is the gear icon. You want to click on the gear icon and then you want to click on general. When you click on general, you have all the menu that is related to the user experience. The section that we're focusing today is restricted mode. You see, it was off, now it's on. What is restrictive mode, first of all? The restrictive mode is essentially hiding potential videos that might not be good for you, in a sense of which they might be dangerous, they might cause an emotion, negative impact on you or whatsoever. According to YouTube, this is simply helping you to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, meaning that some videos might bypass the algorithm that usually hides these videos. So you're not 100% safe even if you have this option on or off. This setting only applies to the app on the device. This means that if you have a different device, a tablet or a laptop that is logged in inside the same exact account, you have to go and manually toggle in or out on each of the device individually. This doesn't go along and doesn't actually goes at the same way when you actually change the setting on one device. This is very important. So this is how it works, on and off, and go and change it on each and every device, because this is not going to happen automatically. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out if a particular YouTube channel is currently monetized. First thing you want to do, you want to come over here on YouTube and you want to click on channel that you're interested in. Let's go on this particular CNBC Make It. You gotta go on the channel and you gotta click on the three dots on the top right corner. When you click on the three dots, you will have the option to actually share, or in other words, simply copy the link from the YouTube channel. The second step is very important. You gotta go on Google Chrome and you gotta type is this channel monetized.com. This is how the page looks like. This is how the website looks like, okay? Then you want to scroll down. Be very careful. There are a bunch of ads on the header. You want to scroll down to the actual real search box where you actually paste the YouTube channel link that we just copied, right? And then you gotta hit check monetization. It should prompt us very fast and we should get the results. This is very important because sometimes some people want to start a brand new YouTube channel, especially now 2024 is coming, right? And now you want to make sure that the niche or the channel or the topic that you're trying to build up audience around is monetizable, right? It can be monetized on the YouTube. As you can see over here, this channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. This means that the content they're producing is monetizable. The question is how many of the videos are currently monetized. You can manually switch, turn on and off monetization. As you can see, we can actually see more numbers over here. Very interesting. The RPM is pretty low, as we can see. It moves up and down in the particular niche, but definitely this website gives you much more details and in-depth analysis of the particular YouTube channel. And this is how you're actually finding out is particular YouTube channel monetized. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on YouTube. Very simple, very easy. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Now the process is getting much easier. This is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll down and click on the section that is called Manage All History. This is where you're going to find everything that YouTube collects, not only search history, but also videos that you have watched. Pay very close attention here, guys. First thing, you want to click on Saving Your YouTube History. Here you can set the automatic deletion of your YouTube history. Very important, auto delete over here function that I'm currently highlighting. You can set this on, right? And you can auto delete the history of videos you have watched and your YouTube search history, your search queries. And when you click auto delete, it will give you an option. What is the time frame, right? 36 months, 3 months, 18 months. When you set this time frame, after this period of time, the YouTube will automatically delete all the search queries, all the videos you've watched. It will make your life much easier. But it's not all this, guys. If you go back, right? If you go back over here, manage history, you will find that you will have a similar option by simply going into the calendar function on the left side and simply inputting a date, a particular date, day or year, and then you can just simply scroll and find the post that you search, right? And you can go manual. In this example over here, you can simply scroll even more and click, very simple, X, and you will be able to delete any video that you have watched, and you will see the date and you will see the time that you watch it, okay? And this is how you delete your search history and your watch history at the same time, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.